One headline calls the ads materially misleading. Another just says a lawsuit was filed. A third tells you to stand by the company being sued. Same lawsuit, three very different places to point your suspicion. This is Media Lens. On Tuesday, Novo Nordisk, the maker of Ozempic, sued its biggest rival, Eli Lilly. Novo claims Lilly ran false and misleading ads comparing their weight loss and diabetes drugs, using what Novo calls outdated trial data. Novo asked the court to stop the ads and to force corrective advertising. Lilly makes the competing blockbuster treatments. That's the event everyone reported. Now watch where each newsroom aims your attention. The Guardian lid with Novo's own words in quotes, suing over materially misleading ads, and put the accusation right in the headline. Read it fast, and the charge already sounds close to settled. The Wall Street Journal stayed flat and legal. Novo Nordisk files a deceptive advertising lawsuit against rival Eli Lilly. A filing, a process, no verdict implied. MarketWatch went the most careful of all, attributing everything to Novo. The Danish company says Lilly isn't including the most up-to-date clinical information. Notice that one word, says. It quietly hands the claim back to the accuser instead of endorsing it. CNBC's news story leaned on what Novo wants, a court to permanently stop the ads and order corrective advertising. That lens is escalation, the demand, not just the dispute. And then the opinion desk. CNBC's Jim Cramer published a piece saying he's standing by Eli Lilly, the company being sued. Same lawsuit, and a prominent market voice openly takes the defendant's side. Line those up and you see the whole spectrum inside a single story. One outlet centers the accuser, one stays neutral, one flags the claim as unproven with a single verb, and a commentator defends the accused. Nobody lied, they just chose whose point of view sits in your head first. A lawsuit is an accusation, not a ruling, and the headline you happen to land on decides who you suspect before any court weighs in. So when two giants go to war in your feed, check one thing: is the headline quoting a claim or confirming it? That's today's Media Lens. Subscribe and hit the bell.